Hello students, my name is Srinivas. Welcome to SV Chemistry Academy. Today I am going to discuss a NEET 2021 question paper pattern. How we will get easily more marks in the NEET 2021 that I will going to discuss. Right? Then here actually recently NTA changed the question paper pattern 2021 NEET question paper pattern. That I would like to explain first. After that, how we will get easily more marks in the NEET, that I will explain. Is it clear beta? Then let me discuss first NEET question paper pattern. So here part A and part B. Like that, two parts are there in the question paper. In that part A, like a section A, each subject, total how many subjects are there beta? 4 subjects are there. Is it clear beta? First one zoology, second one botany, third chemistry, fourth physics, like that. Total 4 subjects are there. In section A or part A, each subject having 35 questions. And also remember, there is no choice at all. Total 35 questions which are there in section A or part A, we need to write completely, we need to attempt completely. There is no choice beta here. Earlier, old question paper having each subject 45 without choice. But here in this question paper pattern, 35 section A or part A, 15 section B or part B, like that 2 parts are there in question paper NEET. But among these two question paper, like part A and part B, part A having 35 questions, part B having 15 questions. So total 50 questions beta. 35 plus 15. But in section A or part A, 35 questions without choice. All questions we need to attempt to get more marks. Okay beta? And moreover, remember beta, chance is there to give somewhat easy questions in this part A. That is also keep in mind. So total 140 questions are there in part A. Each question carries 4 marks. Total how many beta here? 560 marks from part A. Okay. And part B or section B, each subject having 15 questions, but among 15 questions, any 5 choice. Remember beta, any 5 choice. And remember beta, first 35 questions which are there in section A or part A without choice. In part B itself only, out of 15 questions, 5 questions are choice. Any 10 you can attempt. Is it clear? Not sequence. Any 10 among 15 you can attempt. Right? So from this, each 10 means a total 40 questions. Each carries 4 marks. Here 160. Part A 560 marks. Part B 160 marks. Total how many beta? 720. Here 140 plus 40. Total 180 questions we need to attempt. Then 720 marks total. This is the NEET 2021 changed question paper pattern. Is it clear beta? And also remember, somewhat difficult questions will be there in part B. That's why they gave 15 questions. Out of 15 we need to attempt 10 5 choice. That is also we have to keep in mind. Is it clear? Then let me discuss how to get the more marks in NEET. Listen carefully beta. Coming to part A, total 4 subjects are there. And remember beta, don't attempt first physics. That is very difficult. That is very difficult to get more marks. If we attempt physics, almost failure will be started. So remember beta, first of all we need to attempt easy like interested subjects like botany or zoology. Okay, so here beta, this is the first same order you can attempt beta, same order you can attempt. What order I gave here? Zoology, botany, chemistry and physics, like that I gave. Same pattern you can use. First you should attempt beta zoology questions. After that botany you can start. After completion of botany you can attempt the chemistry questions. Then only you can attempt end of the session this physics. Is it clear beta? And time management is also very important. Time management is also very important. Don't waste your time here itself. More time required to attempt the physics questions. Somewhat difficult questions are there. Generally, NEET students feel difficult physics subject only, na beta. That's why we need to use more time to attempt the physics. That's why we need to attempt these three first, and within short time then only we can attempt this physics by using somewhat more time. To that physics subject we need to preserve some more time. Is it clear? That is also very important, time management. So in part of that time management I gave this order. If you use the same order here beta, zoology, botany, chemistry, physics. Okay, if you use same order, so zoology, botany, chemistry, after that you should has more time to get this physics question. Is it clear beta? So that's why I gave this pattern. And same pattern also you should use this part B. And moreover beta, for example, among first 35 questions in zoology, for example 21st question not getting, don't waste there itself your time. Let it leave that question and attempt next question. See the next question. That is also very important. Don't waste a question which is not getting you. Is it clear beta? So, and also remember beta, first you should attempt easy questions. Which questions you are feeling easy, those questions you should attempt, and once or twice you can check once here whether the attempted question is right or wrong. That is also important, because of negative marks are there beta. 1/4 negative marks also there. And also remember beta, don't attempt a doubtful question, because negative marks are there, that will reduce your positive marks. That is also very important. You should read carefully the question and attempt carefully the question answer. Many times a question having which of the following is incorrect, which of the following is not correct, which of the following is correct. So beta, while reading such that question, you should underline what is given in the question, whether the question having incorrect or not correct or correct, like that. If you underline that incorrect or correct, then your mind will be search about that only. Don't do the silly mistakes. That is very dangerous. That silly mistake will reduce your positive marks. That is also keep in mind beta. Right? Read carefully the question. Don't do the silly mistakes. And one more thing also I would like to tell here. So in the question paper, I am telling about the chemistry beta. In the question paper itself, sometimes question given like which of the following statement is incorrect, which of the following statement is not correct, which of the following statement is correct, like that questions are there. So regarding the type of question, read carefully the question, and also remember beta, you should underline that one, whether the given question having incorrect or not correct or correct, like that, that you should underline. What is the use of that underline? After underline that one, your mind will be search about that point only. If incorrect means your mind will be search about incorrect point only. If correct is there, if underline that one, your mind will be search that correct statement only. That is very important. Keep in mind beta. Is it clear beta? And so beta here in part A or section A 560 marks are there. In section B 160 marks are there. Total how many beta? 720 marks. So better remember, same pattern you can use what I told here, zoology, botany, chemistry, physics. Is it clear? And also remember beta, first of all you should attempt easiest questions, then easy questions, latter end of that hard questions you can attempt. And don't waste your time at a hard question. First you should filter them. 3 positions like easiest, easy and hard. What question belongs to easy? What question belongs to easiest? Which type of question belongs to hard one? Remember beta, without using any formula, I am telling about what beta? Chemistry beta. I am telling about chemistry. Without using any formula, directly answer will be get some questions. Those questions under what beta? Easiest questions. Some questions by using simple formulas, then you will get answers. Such a type of question belongs to easy questions. Some questions having lengthiest formula, lengthiest solution, such type of questions are belongs to hard questions. So don't take first hard questions. You should attempt first among the questions, easiest first, then easy questions, and later you can attempt hard questions. If you take hard question, even though using many steps, answer will not become. So for example, such type of question leave first. Don't waste there itself your time. Is it clear beta? So like this all phenomena you have to keep in mind. Then and also remember beta, when enter into the examination center, please use your peaceful mind and read carefully the question. Don't do the silly mistakes also. So all these aspects we need to keep in mind and do well beta. All the best beta. Thank you.